Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into fixing common printer issues to get you printing smoothly again. Today, we're tackling the pesky Canon printer error code 5800, especially for those using models in 2025. If your printer suddenly stops and flashes this error, it could be due to paper jams, ink problems, or even a software glitch. But don't panic, because I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to resolve it. First things first, let's start with the basics. Turn off your Canon printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset can often clear temporary errors and get things running again. If that doesn't work, check for any paper jams. Open the printer's cover carefully, remove any stuck paper, and make sure the paper tray is loaded correctly without any tears or folds. Next, inspect your ink cartridges. Error code 5800 might indicate an issue with ink levels or cartridge installation. Open the cartridge compartment, remove the cartridges, and gently clean the contacts with a soft, lint-free cloth. Reinsert them securely and run a test print. If your printer is connected via USB, try using a different cable or port to rule out connection problems. Sometimes, this error stems from outdated firmware or driver issues. Head to the Canon website, download the latest drivers for your specific model, and install them on your computer. Once updated, restart both your printer and computer to see if the error persists. If you've tried all that and still see the error, it might be a hardware problem. In that case, contact Canon's customer support or visit a certified repair center. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the print heads and using genuine Canon supplies can prevent these issues in the future. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing error code 5800. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy printing!